I look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, the real lyrics dream come true. On Wednesday the 3rd of May 2023, Korean Air unveiled a special aircraft dedicated to endorsing Korea's 2030 Busan World Expo bid during an event held at Incheon Airport. The aircraft, a Boeing 777-300ER, displays the image of world-renowned K-pop idol group Blackpink, bringing attention to and fostering support for the Expo bid. It is a great honor to be part of the nationwide efforts to raise awareness and gather support for Korea's bid for the World Expo. We will fulfill our role as an ambassador by taking advantage of our global airline network, Korean Air Chairman and CEO Walter Cho said during his welcoming remarks. The plane will embark on its next journey on Thursday, starting with a flight from Incheon to Paris, Korean Air said. This special aircraft will act as a tool to display Korean content and tout our country's competitiveness throughout the world, said Prime Minister Han Duck-soo, who attended the event. The airline added that it is leaning up efforts by playing promotional videos for the 2030 Busan World Expo bid at Incheon Airport's lounges and on the video entertainment systems inside its planes. Korean Air's Morning Com magazine will also print a promotional feature article. The airline also said it would ensure smooth trips for the delegation of the Bureau International des Expositions, the regulating body of World Expos, to help leave a good impression of Busan. The country's flagship air carrier signed a memorandum of understanding with Blackpink's agency YG Entertainment back in March, securing a partnership and becoming an official sponsor of the group's world tour. In other news, Blackpink member Rosé was seen at the JFK International Airport last night to leave New York after her overseas schedule. Rosé looks cute with her hair in pigtails. And Rosé also wears a vintage Adidas Olympic. In this regard, today the German shoe brand returns with the Blackpink x Adidas collaboration with the theme, Home of Classics, for the Spring/Summer 2023 season. This campaign will bring 3 Adidas iconic collections, namely Superstar, Gazelle and Forum. The collaboration between Adidas and Blackpink on the Home of Classic collection will bring back classic style with the latest technology. The collection will incorporate classic shoes and clothing such as Stan Smith and Superstar, who have defined fashion for decades. However, this collection will also provide a touch of innovation and modern style that will strengthen the spirit of the current generation. The Home of Classic collaboration will celebrate classic styles with unique and innovative accents.